Hi, I'm Kate Racheter here for Bacchus Bites to celebrate Theatre Bacchus's upcoming show, The Lady Vanishes. A thriller set on a 1930s railway car. Before the train leaves the station, I want to introduce you to this particular show's Bacchus Bite, which is our bad cup of tea.
So today we're going to show you how to make our signature cocktail for this show, Bad Cup of Tea, inspired by the terrible tea service that is available on our railway car in the show. Now, the name might not sound very appealing, but I promise you this cocktail is absolutely delicious. You're going to need a couple of things to get started. First, you're going to need to brew an actual cup of tea. You can use any black tea you like. I would recommend making it fresh and allowing it to cool to room temperature. You can make it ahead, but if you're going to make it ahead, steep the tea bags, add lukewarm to cold water for several hours. If you try to do hot tea and then chill it in the fridge, the caffeine and the tannins will actually bind together and you'll get this lovely murky looking swamp water, which is not what we want to go for. We want a nice clear tea to go into our cocktail to give it that brilliant caramel looking color. So now once we've got our tea ready, we're going to set that aside and we're going to work on our garnishes. We're going to make a lemon twist. For anyone who's never made one of these before, all you need to do is cut yourself off a couple of pieces of lemon and you're going to trim away all the flesh. And then what you're going to do is clean up the ends just to create fine tips. The thinner you actually cut the lemon, the tighter the twist on the lemon will be. And then all you have to do is just spring it together kind of like a curly Q, and it will actually hold its shape pretty well. You can actually make these for a lot of different cocktails or for a martini. Your friends will think you're fancy. Anyways, we've got our garnish, we've got our tea, and so now we get to all the components to make this particular cocktail. So for starters, we're going to need some maple syrup and some lemon juice, our different liquors, including our Cointreau, our bourbon, and our amaretto. We're also going to need a cocktail shaker and some ice, and of course our lowball cocktail glasses. So once we've got everything together, we can actually start to mix our ratio together. Now, I use a measuring unit called centiliters. This is a very traditional way to measure, but a centiliter is basically 10 milliliters. So you can convert this yourself. This is going to make 2 cocktails. So we're going to need 4 centiliters of bourbon, and then we're going to need 2 centiliters of both the Cointreau and the amaretto. And we're going to mix all of that in there. And then we need a half a cup total of our tea, which we're going to mix in next. Add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and our 2 centiliters of maple syrup. You can adjust the sweetness to your preferences, but I find that this gives a really nice balanced flavor. We're going to throw some ice in there, give it a really good shake, and then we're going to put some ice into our lowball glasses, and we're going to pour our cocktail mixture over top. Then all you need to do is take your lemon twists, place those on top, and you have a fantastic cocktail. It may be a bad cup of tea, but it is a fantastic cocktail. We hope you've enjoyed seeing this demonstration. Be sure to get your tickets for the show and make this cocktail beforehand, so while they may not be enjoying the tea service, you can enjoy your own bad cup of tea while listening to the show. Thanks for watching.